we're in the Alps at the ski hotel.
We are in Les Menuires.
The journey here was very slow and there was a lot of protesting against the government and the price of petrol. That added on an hour or so.
Before coming on this trip, I have had no experience with skiing so far.
Learning to ski, you're falling over all the time on your bum.
I've just really loved it so far. I love skiing. It feels incredible. It feels like you're like flying. There's always challenge. Like skiing's never easy. There's always more difficulty with the ice and different conditions. But it's a good opportunity to help other people learn too.
The most about skiing is the view of the mountains. You have an amazing view from up top and you feel like you're on top of the world.
Today we have been practicing, we've been doing some jumps.
Going into learning parallel, like stopping parallel. Parallel is where you keep your skis together, and pizza is where you have them like in a pizza shape, like a triangle.
Learning to ski is like, it's been very fun because it's learning a new skill. We've been up to the slopes and we've been practicing our slip and slides, which is where we go down sideways instead of forwards, so it's better for steep hills.
Going down with a group of people who have just started is a bit slow, but once we get the hang of it, we go down pretty quickly. Sometimes we bump into each other, yeah.
I fell about 4 times.
It does hurt sometimes, but if you're lucky and you fall in a big heap of snow, it doesn't really hurt that much.
As soon as your ski does something weird, you can just fall, and with the speed, it's extremely dangerous to fall. Because you never know where you go, and then you'll tumble more, and it's a bigger risk of injury the faster you go.
When I fell over, it was really hard because trying to get up is really, really hard. The skis are moving and you're just trying to keep them still.
Most people, they just put their skis parallel into the mountain, lead into the mountain, and then go up with their hands and push themselves up again to stand upright.
It's harder because I don't think people really understand the athletic strain it actually takes on the body. Because once you get on the skis and once you get going, it's not miserable because the pain goes away as you go on the skis because of just how much fun and how good the views are up in the mountains.
If to go really fast, it feels very amazing. And yes, when you do it with your parallel turns, it's just a hype. You get the adrenaline and you start to feel really happy and more like king of the world.
I like going on the machines that take you up, so the cabin.
The skills I learned this trip is I've learned to more perfect my parallel skiing. So body position, when to move up and when to move down for the turn, and racing position, how to lean and where to put your elbows on your knees and then lean forwards with the mountain, and then you just go off you go.
So when you plant your pole as you turn, and then you bend down, and then right as you turn around, you stand up straight, and then you go back down again. To avoid falling, I tried to just stay in the same lane and just not go too fast. You try to keep your skis close together so then they don't like fall apart and you just face plant.
Alison, turn your head down, look downhill all time. Eyes up, and you look the bottom of the mountain. Look the bottom of the mountain. Come on, your 2 hands farther. Good girl. That's it. You're the best. You are the best Alison of the group.
I've learned how to really control your speed and also how to really focus on the technique and bending down when you turn.
Good, Ruth. Good. Ruth, you can smile also, please. Yes. Fantastic, Ruth.
I think the best part has been meeting new friends because I just came to the school, so it's been a really good chance to do that. When we're not skiing, we all hang out and have fun together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We have after dinner activities. We watch a movie, or we go bumboarding or swimming or have quizzes. They all go like for an hour and a half.
We're all being like social together, and I thought it was a smart idea that they took away the phones and we only get them for an hour, because if we're all on our phones we don't talk to each other, and it's more fun, more pleasurable to talk to each other and play card games and do stuff with each other.
Funniest experiences was last night, so Tuesday's dinner, because our conversations and the jokes we made, they were just the best.
My best moment so far has probably been learning to ski.
I've enjoyed seeing the teachers from a different side in the way like they're different here than at school. They're not always in teacher mode.
Okay, but the most important is firstly and dance. Yes! We would like to give you something. Oh, thank you very much. Something from England.
Marcel. Nice postcard. Everyone write on it. Fantastic.
It's a bit more fun this time. Got a better ski teacher.
And just going in one day from learning to pizza or snowplow to the top of halfway up a mountain has just been incredible, and it's a great experience.